What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Ford Escape started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message here on the dash saying no key detected. So what we need to do is take our key fob and come over to the center console. And in this front part of the center console, there's a rubber mat in the bottom of this. There's a little tab in the front that you can get your fingers on like that and pull that out. And then once we get that rubber mat out of there, we see this square cutout. What I'm going to do is place the key in that cutout like that. And then once that key's sitting on there, we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And then you can drive your vehicle as you normally would. And the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in that key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.